back. My name is Darlingranita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back. So today's video is another unboxing of the Delta box. I just received my box this month. I think it's the November box that we get in December, or is this the December box that comes in December? But anywho, this is the box. It just came in the mail on today, right before Christmas, and I'm so excited to see what Delta has for me on this month. So let's unbox it. So you already know, if you've seen several of my videos, I do wear a size medium. My box is a medium, and it is a monthly subscription that I do pay. I think it's $39 or $49 a month. I'm not for sure. But let's open today's box. Let's see this month's box. Oh, this is so cute. On the inside of the box, it has the most wonderful time of the year, the Delta box. This is so cute. So it is for Christmas. So let's see what we got. So the box always has a theme on it, and it is called the Crimson and Cream Christmas, and it is for the month of December. So I am right, it's the December box. So I don't know what's in it, but I'm gonna put my specs on so I can read more about what's in the box. So what we have in the box, we have a journal that is for There Is Always Light, the journal by Amanda Gorman. And we also have a Rhinestone Fleet sweatshirt and a Rhinestone knit beanie. So a beanie hat, I think that's what a beanie is. So and then it also has a words of why what is in the box was picked. So this is for the month of December. Let's see. So we have the journal, which I stated before. It says there is always light. And in the journal, it's just something that I can see myself writing, words of encouragement for myself in 2025. So this is a nice book. I will start that officially in 2025. All right, so, that's what this is. It's a Rhinestone sweatshirt. This is what we have for the month of December. Okay. So what I do see what Delta did, okay. You just put some rhinestones on. I think I have a shirt that is similar to this. But it's without the rhinestones. But it's really like the shirt that I've had previously. But this time they just added rhinestones to it. If you can see that the rhinestones are white and red, which is cute. Little festive for the holidays. Okay, so that is nice. I think I may wear this when I am going to the airport on my trip. And also we have a little beanie bag, a beanie hat. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, a beanie hat in this month's box. Okay, and it's similar to our hat. It's similar to our sweater. So this is how it looks. It's cute. It has the red and the white rhinestones on it. Let me see how it look on my head. Okay. I like this. Is a nice hat. But the only thing about this that I wish that was on this hat is that we would have had our symbols, our Greek letters or a symbol or something on the hat. But I think that this is going to be cute together, especially in the airport or wherever I may go. So this is what's in the box. You get the beanie hat, the Rhinestone sweatshirt, and then you get your journal, which can get you ready for 2025 and writing all of your thoughts down to get you ready to be the best Delta that you can be. So this is basically everything in the box. Thank you for staying and watching. If I did do something that drew your attention, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and let me know if you do like these unboxing, because I do plan to do them monthly when I do get them in the mail. So again, thank you for watching. Happy holidays. See you soon. Bye.